They're waiting for fish. There's no fish here, the other side. It's in the other side, man.
And they stop going and they start floating.
Are they drinking the water?
And then when they turn around, look, he stops.
Oh,
So now he's paddling.
it's paddling.
Hardly moving.
It's so cool. Look at that. They can swim and I cannot. They are better than me. He is a friendly bird. He's looking for food.
Oh, here's a wave coming.
Next time we're gonna take... Oh, is it the water coming in or what?
Look at this.
Han,
I would probably back up if I was you.
is the water coming in or coming out?
What's going on?
Oh, if I didn't back off, they should get me.
You'd be wet.
It's fun watching the bird. It's playing. Look at that! They're swimming.